Welcome to Padu Motivations. As you know, Teslas, they don't come with a spare, a tire iron, a jack. So if you do get a flat, you either have to call the tow truck, or you can have a handy dandy Tesla tire repair kit. It's better to have one of these and not need it than to need it and not have it when you really need it. So I'm going to show you how it works. You can purchase the Tesla tire repair kit online, or you can get any kind of repair kit for that matter. I just purchased the Tesla, so I'm going to show you how to hook it up and how to use it. So here we go. First of all, it comes in a nice little handy dandy carrying case, which is cool. This right here is the actual compressor, okay? And it has this gook stuff in here where you just hold it down, that pops right out. This is a sealant right here, and you use this to, you just put this right at the nozzle of the vehicle, and this may or may not work. It depends on the severity of your flat if this is going to work. Again, it's better to have it and not needed than needed not have it. But something like this could probably work. Okay, so this comes with this. By the way, once you use it once, it is done. So you have to now go to the Tesla website and order another one, and it's normally about 20 bucks. Okay. And that fits right in here like so. So this is the gook stuff, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And then right here, you have the, you want to just top off your tire as far as your tire pressure is concerned. You'll put it on this side. If you want to use the gook stuff to actually seal the tire, then you would put it on here. Right here is your pounds per square inch as far as the tire pressure is concerned. With the Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive, it requires like 42 pounds per square inch. You have the on button, and you have the deflate button as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and hook it up. And this actually hooks up to a 12-volt outlet in the Tesla. All righty. And it's equivalent to like in the old days cigarette lighters or whatever. So this goes right in, and we'll go ahead and connect it for you. Okay, so all you want to do is plug this into the 12-volt receptacle right here. You just pop that open, put it in here. Okay, it's in. So now I usually just to check it out, just to make sure it's working. Beautiful, works. So that's good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and hook it up right to the tire. So come on. Okay, so first of all, this is the gook stuff I was telling you about, and I don't know what type of solution it is. This, if your tire is actually flat, depending upon the severity of it, if it's going to work, you would just connect this to this like so. I'm not going to demonstrate it because then I got to get a new canister. Like I said, you can get one right on the website. And you would put, if you are using the gook stuff, you would put this. So if you're on the side of the road, tire is flat, you can try it first with the gook stuff. Put it right here, connect it like that, and then you press the power button. Okay, all right, so that can be used that way. Also, if you just want to top off your tire pressure, which I think everybody has to do that at some point, and these days they actually charge you to top off your tire. I think one place charged $2. I couldn't believe it. So it's also good to have one of these in your possession, so that you don't have to pay that type of money. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect it, and we're going to top off the tire pressure. So let's connect it right here. Okay, it is now connected, and then we want to put this on right here to top off the tire pressure right here. Put it right here, and then you're going to press the power button now. And as you can see, it was already at 40 pounds per square inch. And it's going up.
Up. So it's a little bit over.
Okay. And then when you want to stop it, you just stop it like so. And if you ever want to let any of the air out, you actually use this button right here. So that actually lets the air out as well. And I'm going to put it back up to charge. We'll get it up to about 42. We're just about there.
Almost.
Okay, we're good there. Okay, so we're all set with that. And other than that, I do want to show you one other thing. You actually can check your tire pressure right on your app. All right, so I'm going to show you that in a minute. What's so really cool about a Tesla is that you can actually see your tire pressure right on the Tesla mobile app, which is really cool. And all you want to do is go to your controls, and then this right here, this PSI right here, you just click on that. And as you can see, the tire we just filled up is at about 43. So that's pretty much in a really good, acceptable range. All right. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. This is something that I would highly recommend, this or any other type of a tire repair kit to have handy in your vehicle. Hey, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video.